Most people get this wrong when they hear about Solitaire Cash. They see ads showing players winning money, and assume it's an easy way to make cash from their phone. But here's the truth no one tells you. Winning money and making consistent profit are two very different things. In this video, you'll learn how Solitaire Cash works, whether it actually pays real users in 2026, and the biggest things you need to know before spending any money. By the end, you'll know if this app is worth your time. Let's get straight to the answer. Yes, Solitaire Cash does pay real money to eligible users who win cash tournaments and successfully withdraw their earnings. The app has been around for years and many players report receiving payouts. However, that doesn't automatically mean everyone who downloads it will make money. Here's how it works. Solitaire Cash is a skill-based solitaire game. Players can enter free games or cash tournaments, depending on their location and eligibility. In cash tournaments, you compete against other players and the highest scores win prizes. But here's the problem. Many people assume that because an app pays, it's easy to profit from it. That's where expectations can become unrealistic. Take someone like Alex. He deposits $10 and enters multiple tournaments. If he consistently scores higher than other players, he may win money. But if his skill level is average, he could lose tournament entries just as easily. The outcome depends heavily on performance. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest factor isn't whether the app pays. It's whether your skill level can outperform enough competitors over time. Another thing to understand is withdrawals. Most users who receive payouts follow the app's verification and withdrawal process correctly. Processing times can vary, and requirements may change, so always check the latest information inside the app before requesting a payout. This is where most people fail. They focus only on screenshots and payment-proof videos. Screenshots can show that someone got paid, but they don't show how much time, skill, or money was invested to get there. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to test the app without taking unnecessary risk. If you're new, start with free games whenever possible. Learn the scoring system. Improve your speed. Understand how bonuses work. Once you consistently achieve strong scores, you can make a more informed decision about whether cash tournaments make sense for you. Remember, Solitaire Cash should be viewed as a competitive gaming app, not a guaranteed income source. No legitimate gaming app can promise profits for every player. So, does Solitaire Cash actually pay in 2026? For eligible users who win tournaments and meet withdrawal requirements, yes, real payouts are possible. But success depends on skill, competition, and responsible expectations. If this review helped you understand how Solitaire Cash really works, hit the like button, subscribe for more app reviews and earning guides, and leave a comment sharing your experience with the app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.